Hello again, everyone. This is David Brandt, IISE's digital strategist at the Grand Hyatt Buckhead in Atlanta for the Lean Six Sigma and Data Science Conference 2021. We're taking a podcast break and talking with some of our attendees. Happen to have one with me here. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Josette Cole-Pinnix. I am a data analyst for OpsVeda. I'm also an engineer. I graduated from the North Carolina A&T, and I'm talking on my research that I did for my master's program.
I understand this is your first live conference in the era of pandemic. How has that been going so far?
It's awesome. I love in person because I get to network, and I've met so many people, especially being that I want to move on to build apps for healthcare. And I was able to meet with a lot of people that can help me. And, I can be, their first contact, for building apps. So it's awesome.
I understand you're also a presenter at this conference. What was your presentation about?
My presentation was on my research that I did for my master's program with North Carolina A&T. It's titled Optimal Control of Additive Manufacturing Process Using the DMAIC methodology, which is the Six Sigma methodology. And I went through the different steps that I used to conduct my research and also come up with optimal print settings for the 3D printing process.
Very cool. Very cool. I love 3D printed anything. That's such a fascinating area for me.
Yes.
What are you hoping to learn then from this conference, particularly when it comes to data science? You're a data analyst, so I imagine that there's a lot to learn that you hope you can apply in your roles in the future.
I have been able to ask a lot of people how they started, and I noticed that most people are just like me. They started off as an industrial engineer, and when they went into the tech field, they were able to learn how to code and how to become data analysts, as well as, because combining the two fields makes you good at what you do. And so when I learned that most of them started just like me, it makes me more motivated to learn coding and continue to do what I do. So yeah, this has been an eye-opening and motivational session for me. And that's the key for my success in my career.
So I'm guessing when Dr. Pyrcz this morning at the keynote had said a lot of engineers don't like to code, you were like, why? Why not?
Why not? You could do both. And I was really excited about what Morgan said yesterday. He was our keynote speaker, and he kind of opened my eyes to see that we can do it all. Like you could do more of what you do already as an engineer, but at the same time, you can understand the data, because the data is what speaks, what is really gives you the bigger picture of what you're doing. So yeah, you could do it all.
Well, you sound very excited to be here, and we're always happy to hear that from our attendees. Josette, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you too, David. Thank you.